Welcome to this guide on laundry tips that will make your washing experience more efficient. We all know how tedious laundry can be, but what if I told you there are ways to make it less of a chore? Today, we'll talk about sorting your clothes, efficient washing practices, and even maintaining your machines. So without further ado, let's dive into the first tip. The first step in efficient laundry is sorting your clothes. It's crucial to separate garments by color, darks, lights, delicates, and by fabric type. Heavier items like jeans and towels require different care than lightweight pieces such as shirts. Ignoring these distinctions can result in color bleeding or improper washing. And let's not forget the risks of not following washing instructions. Shrinkage, fading, or even damage can occur if we're not careful. Always remember to check the care label on your clothes before washing them. Next, we'll talk about how to wash your clothes efficiently. To maximize water and energy usage, aim to wash full loads. But remember, overloading the machine can result in improperly cleaned clothes. It's a delicate balance. The detergent choice is equally important. The right one varies depending on your clothes and water hardness. Here's a tip. More detergent doesn't mean cleaner clothes. In fact, too much can leave residues and damage your garments. A little detergent goes a long way, so don't overdo it. The final tip is about regular machine maintenance. Just like any other appliance in your home, your washer and dryer need a little tender, loving care. Regularly scheduled cleanings help remove detergent residue and lint that can build up over time. This not only improves the efficiency of your machines, but also prevents those unpleasant odors that can linger in your clothes. So don't forget to pamper your washer and dryer a bit. Regular cleaning of your washer and dryer is essential for their longevity and efficiency. So those are the key tips for efficient laundry. Remember, it's all about sorting your clothes, maximizing your loads without overdoing it, and keeping your machines clean. Apply these simple strategies and you'll see the difference. Thank you for watching, and happy washing.